Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stopping what compresses the nerves. Remove shoes and socks now and sit. Because pressure causes pins and needles, change your leg position and avoid crossing legs. Once done, flex and relax toes and do ankle circles. This helps restore blood flow and nerve signaling. Make sure to hold each movement for 30 to 60 seconds, breathing calmly. The goal is to reduce compression and re-establish sensation, not force through pain. Keep movement slow. Sharp pain means stop and reassess. You now focus on circulation and gentle mobility to clear residual numbness. Start with calf pumps and heel raises, 10 to 15 reps, moving slowly to engage the muscle pump that returns blood. Once done, massage the foot upward toward the heart for 1 to 2 minutes. This reduces swelling and stimulates nerve endings. If the foot stays numb, apply a warm compress for 5 to 10 minutes. Comfortable warmth improves flow, but avoid hot temperatures. Keep checking sensation and adjust pressure if any discomfort increases. You finish by restoring full function. Stand and walk for 2 to 5 minutes, paying attention to balance and even weight distribution. Once upright, perform seated nerve glides and toe stretches, 3 reps per side, to mobilize neural tissue and reduce recurrence. Make sure to monitor any persistent numbness. If symptoms worsen or last more than 48 hours, contact a healthcare professional. Quick troubleshooting. If pain or new weakness appears, stop activity immediately and seek urgent evaluation. These are red flags that need medical attention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.